The lounge was supposed to be open 33 minutes ago. Nobody's here. Buying my coffee.
How are you feeling about this?
That is Jill in a fit of rage.
Yeah?
I was vibing with the bubble.
Let's get some coffee.
My God.
Backed by popular demand. The espresso game. Okay, this lounge doesn't have food, which is okay because it's like only 7:30 in the morning, so I'm not hungry. But the next place, we have a layover in Switzerland.
Have we said where we're going yet?
No. We're headed to Vienna. Well, that's good.
We're gonna drink our free espressos and try to enjoy our morning.
Oh, that is where it's gonna need a little more sugar. Catch flights, not feelings.
You are too good.
We're just waiting out on the tarmac. No problem.
Hey, we did it.
What?
My bad.
Monae's bag. I guess we're going to France. You guys, you can get to 3 different countries from this airport by walking. There's Germany, there's France, or there's Switzerland. And we don't know where to go. We have France or Germany in this option. And Switzerland's down here. By fate, we left through Switzerland.
Made it through the airport. But we're here now. We board our flight to Vienna in about, what, like 3.5 hours? Maybe 3 hours, so we have some time to kill. So upstairs, which I think is closed due to COVID, unfortunately, but it looks really cool. There's like beds and yeah, so we're just gonna chill here. I just made myself a delicious coffee, which was a Swiss coffee machine, but I still can't tell you if we're in France or Switzerland or Germany. Anyway, Swiss coffee machine with Nesquik. A little mocha, am I right? That did not pour as aesthetically as I was hoping. Honestly, that's good. Okay, so we're off the plane. Everything went smoothly, went through customs and everything. But we're trying to get into the Vienna city and we just bought tickets and we just hopped on the first train that came. This definitely might not be the right train and we're trying to figure that ish out right now, so.
What does that ticket say? We only have to go 5 stops.
I hope.
Oh, actually,
We're confused. Okay, we gotta figure this out.
We're going the right way. We're actually going the right way.
No way. Are you kidding? Today's awesome.
Today has been such a good day.
Such a good day. This is awesome. We freaking did it. We're still not at the Airbnb where we're closed. And look it, we're next to a freaking carnival. This is awesome.
I am really feeling this place already. I have good vibes.
Yes,
Good vibes.
yes. All right, let's go. First feels of Vienna.
Great.
In love.
Everything has gone flawless.
Like, we got an elevator, bitch. We got an elevator. Oh my gosh, we did it. We made it. Literally no hiccups.
It was flawless. Okay. let's just tell you
We did it.
about how great today was. All of the lounges were open. We got fed for free.
It was amazing.
We got to the Switzerland, German, French airport, and then we were getting on our next flight, and all of a sudden they were like,
We didn't have the right mask. We needed like a really intense like mask.
yeah, the FF1
And we were like,
whatever.
Oh no, we don't have it. And another girl turns in front of us. She was like, oh, I have 2 extra. And we're like,
Yeah.
what?
Yeah.
Thank you. And all of our really huge carry-ons. And they were stickling everybody. And we just walked in and snuck them up. And they were like,
Yep. And we had nobody sitting next to us on the flight.
so amazing.
It was just us. And then we get here, we got the right ticket, we got the right train.
So we're just like, well, let's just get on this train. And it took us literally
right to where we
exactly
needed.
here.
Yeah.
It was insane. Like,
And then the walk was flawless. We didn't get lost one time.
Yeah.
The first crosswalk that we crossed over was a rainbow painted crosswalk. This place is amazing.
we're so excited to be here, honestly. We're like, oh. It's
And-
been a travel day.
Yeah.
And we're so excited to be here. And I cannot wait to see Vienna tomorrow. Tomorrow we go to like our more permanent Airbnb for the next.
Oh yeah, and we got here and we opened our YouTube app and we went up 2 subscribers. So that being said, you guys should definitely subscribe if you're not already.
I had a few glasses of wine too. That was great.
Oh, and we booked our tickets to the next place that we're going actually.
Oh yeah, we did at our lounge. Oh, I'm so excited. Great day, honestly. Thanks guys for coming.
We'll see you tomorrow.
Yeah. Good morning from Vienna. Get our monthly train passes like that we can use unlimited metro, and then go to our next Airbnb, and then
I'm feeling so good about this place. I really am. Like getting here, maybe it was that everything went right yesterday, but like I'm just feeling inspired. And supposedly there's like a really like deep rooted like history of like creativity, and like a lot of famous musicians came from Vienna, and there's a lot of like famous art that came from Vienna, and I'm just really inspired at the like
love it.
You guys, everything is going great again this morning. This place is amazing. We got up, packed up, and then we went to get our metro tickets, and we got month-long metro tickets in 45 seconds. Really just getting coffee and a pastry here because we have to wait a little bit until we can check into our Airbnb. So, got coffees, and I got an apple strudel. It's very large.
Yeah.
Oh my god. That doesn't scream fall. I don't know what does.
Oh, honey, love it. All the trees are turning orange. Oh, it's so beautiful. Okay, we're
Das
gonna
ist
enjoy
gut.
it.
So we just learned this on a YouTube video this morning. And supposedly Vienna has one of the best like cafe cultures in the world. So obviously we're here for it. We love that. We're walking to our next place that we're staying, and literally the park has free hammocks to just chill in, and people have brought like blankets and stuff. I'm like, this is so cool. I love hammocking.
Welcome to our room in Vienna. It is so cute. This is our bed. Look how great it is. Chocolates and earphones. Oh, what about my feelings?
Catch feelings on flights?
Ooh, that's good. That's real good.
Yeah. Cheers.